Hi, how are you doing today? I hope you're having a great, wonderful, amazing, spectacular day. This is a 4/4 rhythm that we're working in, and I call this, it's this very short juego. So it's just like a little transition section that you can go from one footwork section to the other. You can fit this in between two footwork sections, or fit this in between like marcajes into footwork, or marcajes, this juego, short juego, and then more marcajes. You can just play around with it. So here we go. Let's go ahead and get started. This is working in our counter rhythms. So it starts with golpe on the right side, and it's the mechanics is right, right, left, right, right, left, right, right, left, planta, planta. And that repeats. So in the rhythm, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 10. So it ends on 7. So we have the repeat of the first part, right? We do that twice. Golpe, golpe. Planta, planta. Planta, planta. We repeat that, and then we're going to go into our plantas and then go a whole 8 count phrase. Well, up to and 7. Okay, so this third compás, here we go, and 1 and 2 and 7 and 8 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5 and 6, right, left, golpe, and then I just kind of do a little twist with my torso to go into the next section, whether it be footwork or marking step. So you can kind of play around with it. You can even do a llamada afterward and begin building your tangos vocabulary, going into marcajes and then going into a little footwork section, doing this little juego, and then going into more marcajes. Just play around with it. I hope you found this helpful, and I wish you an amazing day. Bye.